Sad news coming out of the Tokyo Olympics as Briana Williams' grandmother passed away during the Olympics. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop, and a bit of sad news coming out of the Olympics after Briana Williams, a Jamaican athlete who performed so great at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, just made a shocking revelation that she lost her grandmother while in the Tokyo Olympics. Now, she was not told by her family based on the fact that the traumatic experience that this would have brought onto her, and she was just told when she returned to the island of Jamaica. So the Jamaican athlete Briana Williams arrived home after her impressive performance at the Tokyo Games in Japan to a very sad news that her grandmother has passed away. She made a post on her social media platform Facebook, and this is what it said. Just got home and found out that my dear grandmother who lived with us passed away soon after I left for the games in Tokyo. Williams, who was a sprint relay gold medalist at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, said in a post on her social media, "They wisely decided to wait until after the Tokyo Games to tell me," added Williams. "I dedicate my Olympic gold medal to her memory and for all she poured into me. Sleep well, Nana," she wrote. "Thank you, I love you," Williams said further in her post. Williams became the youngest athlete to win the women's 100-meter and 200-meter double at the 2018 World Under-20 Championship at the age of 16. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere and heartfelt condolences to her family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching.